that's good. And I want to share my cooking experiences and knowledge of food with you. Fabulous. And demonstrate how to create truly delicious dishes at home. No gimmicks, just memorable food and, of course, fabulous eating. Insanely good. Oof. Join me, Simon Hopkinson, as I bring more food to more for and cook something very special.
Simon Hopkinson Cooks. A brand new series begins Monday at 9 on More 4.
Afternoon day 2 at Henham Park in Suffolk, where we're steadily piecing together a forgotten Tudor mansion. While Phil and Tracy crack on with the ornate front of the building, Francis has deployed John on a renegade mission. When the Tudor pile burnt down, the Rouses replaced it with a great Georgian mansion,